In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove holidays from your Google Calendar. Managing your schedule can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when your calendar is cluttered with non-essential information like public holidays. If you find that the default display of holidays in your Google Calendar is more distracting than helpful, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to remove them. First, let's start by heading to your Google Calendar. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll notice your calendar displayed before you. A clean interface is key to productivity, so let's work on making that happen. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled My Calendars, which lists your personal calendars, followed by another section called Other Calendars. This is where Google adds additional calendars, including holidays, by default. These are usually pulled in based on the regional settings or the language setting of your account. Your goal is to locate the holidays calendar within this Other Calendars section. It might show us something like holidays in the United States or another regional equivalent. Once you find it, you'll see a color-coded box right next to this holiday calendar. This box indicates that the holidays are currently visible on your calendar. All you need to do is click the box next to holidays. By doing this, you're essentially unchecking it, which will immediately hide all holiday data from your calendar view. It's a quick yet powerful way to declutter your schedule and focus only on the most pertinent events. If you ever change your mind and want the holidays back, you just need to click that box again to re-enable the display of holidays. It's always good to know that this toggle option is available so you can customize your calendar views based on your evolving needs. And there you go, it's that easy to remove holidays from your Google Calendar. I hope this little trick helps you create a more efficient and personalized scheduling environment. Remember, it's all about keeping what's essential at the forefront and reducing any unnecessary noise. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.